Isdang dapa, palad flex, dried, dinaing. Ang tanong, nakakain ka na ba ng fish bones? Ito po ang tinik ng isdang sulay bagyo na ginagawang fish tapa. Di-deep fry, tapos papapakin na malutong parang chicharon. Order na po kayo only here at 30's Dried Fish from Seafood's capital of the Philippines, Rojas City. Isdang palad, tocino, salmonete, danggit, at masarap na fish bone.